Hi! In front of me is Nokia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening settings, then choose connected devices and tap on pair new device. Over here just wait for available ones to show up and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. After that you need to wait for the pop-up to show up, that one, and just pair in it. Then we need to wait for this device to accept our connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on this little gear icon next to the device and choosing forget. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!